Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove all your saved videos on TikTok, also known as favorites. So yes, let's get started. First, open the TikTok. Now go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the bookmark right below Add Bio section. So this opens your favorite section where all saved videos, sounds, effects and more are stored. Here you will see every video you have favorited or saved. Now here's the key part. Unfortunately, TikTok does not let you delete all saved videos at once. You will need to tap on each video and then tap the bookmark icon again to unfavorite it. Let me show you how. Just tap on any video and then tap the bookmark icon again, like this. If you have too many saved videos, scroll all the way down to your oldest ones first and work your way up. If you want to start completely fresh, you can also create a new account or clear the app data. But be careful, this resets everything. And that's how to remove all your saved videos on TikTok. If TikTok ever adds a delete all button, we will update you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.